Allie with Potomac Beads. Join me in making these bloom earrings, which are a lovely new design featuring our Halo Bead SuperDuo. If you want to check that out and want to take a look, you can also look at the links below me in the descriptions to purchase your materials from us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as .eu. So to get started with this beautiful and oh so easy pair of earrings, we are putting on here 8 total of our Halo Bead SuperDuo that actually are containing some SO beads. So the SO beads are shaped similar, but they're going to sit a little bit higher in profile than the actual SuperDuo bead. I have strung them through the first hole of the Halo as well as the first hole of that SO bead. The Halo bead has 2 holes, and we're going through the first one to begin. Once you have 8 on some .006 wildfire beading thread, you want to, with a size 10 or 12 needle, doesn't matter, go ahead and tie these 8 into a knot. Now remember, we strung them through the first hole, and the way that they're shaped, the way that the SuperDuos are shaped, is that they're going to sit right nice up next to one another. I have 8 on here. You can play around with the counts if you want your earrings to be smaller or bigger. What we're going to do now is step up from the bottom hole of that bead to the top hole, going through our first collection of our Halo bead and our SO bead, coming out between the next Halo and SO. I don't want to do the step up where I have the knot. Go then through that same bead, reversing the thread from the bottom hole to the top or outer hole. Now all we have to do is grab some of our Gekko beads, and I have the Gekko beads, and I'm just literally going to take a gecko, put it on in that white red luster, and then sew through the second hole of the next beads in line with that Halo SuperDuo and the SO bead. Pick one up and string on through. You're going to repeat this 8 times till you get 8 beads around in the circle, and then we're going to add a place for our ear wires to sit into. As you're stringing these 2, you might be thinking, what else could fit in here? Check out the product on our Potomac Bead Company products review page, the spotlight, or at the header of our homepage. You can check out the spotlight on these Halo beads and check out all the different options that you could use for these earrings. Once you have your 8 geckos in place, we are going to put on our ear wire. Rather than stringing the ear wire right on, what we're going to do is use a wire guard. I have the last gecko going in place, and I'm going to string back through that last Halo SuperDuo as well as the gecko that I started out with adding on originally. From here, go ahead and string through the Halo as well as the SO and out the other side of that Halo SuperDuo. At the top here, I have a wire guard that's positioned perfectly on top, and I have it in the copper color with this rose gold. The SOs that I am using are the light pastel sapphire. Grab 2 of your 15O seed beads, and the 15Os that I have are the matte opaque dusty orchid. And you're just using 4 per earring, so you're using 2, going up through a wire guard. That way it'll be a nice fit for our ear wire. Go down through the other side of our wire guard. After you go down through the other side of the wire guard and have that little bit of thread right there in that track, go ahead and add 2 more 15O seed beads. From there, you're going to go back through the Halo SO Halo hole of the one that your thread is coming out of. That's going to position that wire guard and that those seed beads to sit right on top of that what is now center Halo bead. Go back up and reinforce one more time, going through those 15s, the nice wire guard, down through the other side of the wire guard, through the 15s, and back again through that Halo bead to the other side. Once you get to the other side of the Halo bead, we're going to step it down, going from the top hole towards that wire guard in towards the bottom hole. When you're out through the bottom hole, the bottom SO and the bottom Halo, that is going to bring you out right at a knot. The knot is the original knot. Take those 2 threads right next to one another and tie them together. Right over left, left over right, and burn down the thread edges. Easy peasy earrings that have a super cute look thanks to our newest Halo beads, the Halo Bead SuperDuo. Grab your thread burner, grab a pair of ear wires, stick them on, and they are good to go. Such an easy addition, and I love this new Potomac's bead and just how you can make this simple pair of bloom earrings. As always, thanks so much for watching and enjoying making the bloom earrings. Remember, if you do want to make any of these and you need some of the Halo SuperDuos or any of the materials used in this video, you can check below me in the description and we'll provide the links there for you. From us here at Potomac Beads too, as always, have fun with the jewelry making. Give us a little thumbs up, tell us what you're excited about, and comment below, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get regular updates on new product like these Halo SuperDuos, as well as fun tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.